The local time here is approaching 10 in the morning. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure that you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. All of us at British Airways and the Monroe Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here across the world, and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you are travelling on Friday, we wish you a safe onward journey. It's has been a pleasure to serve you, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again very soon. Thank you and good morning.
Det var faktiskt snyggt.
Det är lite konstigt. Jag har aldrig sett sånt. Oj, aldrig sett sånt. Har du?
Nej.